Hey, good morning. This is Chris Magnus with Street View Vagabond. I'm here for another unboxing the world video. And this is a process in which I pick a radio station randomly around the world, listen to it, get a sense of the music that's playing in that place, and then drop down in Google Street View in that town to explore it and see what life is like there in 40 minutes. So it's going to be a light touch, kind of get a sense of the flavor. So my radio tasting of the day, and I call it radio tasting because you can never like fully know a radio station until you're listening to it for like a full week throughout the rhythms of the shows and that sort of thing. But here we go. This is Smile Radio out of Chai Chai. I know it's not Aiya. It's Chiayi City, Taiwan. Smile Radio, kind of a pretty extensive radio station that's broadcast nationally in Taiwan. But I'm picking specifically the Chiayi City location. Took me quite a long time to actually put this playlist together. It's 19 songs. I don't want to get to 20 songs. These are songs that have all in the Chinese language. Actually, one of my in Japanese, um, and you know, pretty decent variety of music that I've never heard of. And some decent ones. I'm going to highlight the song of the day. It's going to be this song, which is really it's cool. It's got a really cool. It almost has like a big band, um, not big band, sorry, a marching band feel to it. And it's when I translate, it's called Treasure Island Mambo by Huang Shitan or Shi Tian. Um, anyway, it's from like 1981. It's super vintage. And it's a fun listen, so it's good. But everything else on the playlist, check it out. It's fun. So I'm going to be going into Chiayi City. So Taiwan is an island here off the coast of China here and north of Philippines. And we're going to dig down. Chiayi City is down here. I'm going to call that on the southern half of the island, kind of east-ish. So kind of centralized too. And there's going to be a lot to see here. So we're going to put 40 minutes on the clock and see what we can find. And in those 40 minutes, I am looking for, or you're with me, we are looking for just images of what life is like, right? What's surprising, what's interesting, what's notable, what's funny. And I'm not here to make fun of folks. We're here to explore and have some fun. So let's check it out. Was not expecting. This is really dense, right? Look at this. This is a cool little garden right there in the middle. I like that. I got the shadow. That's cool. I like that. So just a heads up, if you see these icons there, you give it about 6 seconds. Oops, sorry. Give it about 6 seconds, they will disappear. The street signs will not disappear. So the street, you see the street name that's there, just right where that car trunk is. That'll still remain. What I do is I save the photos here. I'm gonna call this island. Making up the names and also this was an interesting name. This is Hong Kong. Grab that one. Again, let's wait till the icons disappear and then we'll grab that. So we're grabbing street signs. We're looking for anything that's uh, remarkable and everything that seems mundane too. So again, we're just trying to get a sense of the town, get a sense of what life is like there. And in 40 minutes, we're only going to be able to see. It's called a teeth. Is help by. Not sure. Then we'll look that up afterward. But I'm trying to stay focused here in these 40 minutes and get like as much stuff as I can. And we'll interpret it and learn a little bit more about it. This is coming in hot, so I have not done any research on this town. I have done an unboxing of Taipei, so I have been scrolling around the streets of Taiwan before. And yeah, that's cool. It's got like a main entrance there. I'll let that icon disappear. But every place is different. One thing I do remember about, I think it's Taipei, or a lot of vegetation on the balconies. Let's see if that's true here in this town here in the southwestern Taiwan. Speak Chinese. There's a lot going on here visually and name-wise that I'm gonna miss, right? I don't know any of this stuff. What's going on? I don't know what this stuff is all about. But I'm looking for interesting things. Well, here's an interesting building. Look at this. Look at this signage. Some really good signage here. Digging this building. Ah, what just happened? There we go. No preview. I was looking at Lebanon for next week. Not doing street view. Not doing getting street view. Just trying to see if they have street view. That's one of the things I do as I definitely don't go on Street View and check out the place beforehand. I go to verify if they have Street View. And sometimes I make a call. Sometimes there's places that have enough Street Views worth checking out. Sometimes it's just photospheres. It's okay. I'll try that out. It's a matter of trying, in my mind, it's like trying to balance. I'm also trying to go all over the world, but not everybody in the world has Street View. Part of that's places like India and Germany where they've actually not allowed it. Germany, I think, is allowed it, but it's super limited, and they have probably one of the highest rates of people asking that their properties get blurred out from a privacy standpoint. I get it. It's definitely a privacy. Excuse me. There's definitely concerns about privacy with this. Here I am in Washington D.C., across the world, checking out streets of the city in Taiwan, Chiayi City. No way. It's creepy, right? That's cool. So, people can use it for nefarious uses. I like to think I'm using it for good. Trying my best. Look at this. What's this one? A woman. Touch your here. Yeah, I mean, I like this here. I could make fun of that because it's spelling touch your ear, touch your ear. It's probably just missing the letter heart, the letter T to say heart. But, trying to use this for good purposes. Mop on a bike, I like that. What year are we talking about? What? This is February 2022. That's awesome. Some places, like I was checking out yesterday. To Switzerland, due diligence in Switzerland yesterday. That was from September or October 2014. And it's like, okay, sometimes that's the case. It's the best I can do. Man, this is 2022. This is just a few months ago. Impressive. People wearing masks. just going street by street, and then eventually I'm going to jump up into the map view. Okay, here. Let's see what we got. Look for some funny finds. Check it out. That's a cool corner. But I was saying before, I'm trying to use this for good, trying to explore, trying to make connections, trying to see what's, around the world. But I could see how some folks could use this. And I'm not so positive. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm not doing this in a positive way. Maybe it's just we're very voyeuristic. And not appreciated by folks, I'm sure, because when I reach out and talk to try to connect to people, there's probably that little sense of like, okay, this guy's creepy. It's like travel from home. Did you guys really like this old signage here? Yeah, I don't know what it means. But that's got some serious vegetation. I love that. Look at that. All the plants. Let those icons disappear. It's got nice vintage shine. And it's got the street in there too. Those are parts of vintage shine. So that street is still in there. Check this car. That is an interesting car. The microbus doesn't have any hood orientation. Is that a VW or is it a knockoff? I don't think it's a VW. Grab it. Today's Foodie Friday, one of my favorite hashtags of the week. So it's always easy to find good food and things that are. Oh, look at the dog. Oh, hello. But anyway, I'm just saying, I'm here having fun, and trying my best to explore the world, learn something new. I have learned a lot. This is cool. Put that pan down there. Oh, what is this? Ooh, what is this? Look, we got the dragons here. This is a good shot. I got the lanterns there. Okay. All fuzzy there. It's okay. As I say in the tagline, is photos are out of focus. The faces are fuzzy. The memories last a lifetime. Now, sorry, I'm trying to get that. There we go. Trying to get the roof line there, just so you can see what those lanterns are. That's a good shot. Cool. So I got it. And what is this? It's an outdoor heater. That's the best I'm going to get. Street view only takes shots every so often. How interesting. So it looks like the Google Street View car is headed this way because here's the one with the panda on the back. So I'm going backwards based on, I'm going to call this, oh geez, caps lock is on. I'm going to call this Panda in Service 2 just because I want that reference of it's connected to that panda. Okay. National Health Insurance. I'll make it something. Okay. I'm going to call this National Health Insurance. do this. Really tight streets. Oh, here's some food Friday. There's all these heaters. That's interesting. I gotta ask about that. Or is that a trash bin? Interesting. Heater or a trash bin? But why would it be a heater? It doesn't even make any sense. Like, I'm not saying it doesn't make sense. Yeah, I'm saying it doesn't make sense why I would think it's a heater. It's got chickens. Definitely it's a nice place. Check it out. I bet you this is a bakery. Oh, we don't have any indoor photos. It's okay. Ah, let's see if that's it. Oh, there's a park rock on the let's do that. I just want to give it a shot of this. Yeah, here we go. That was interesting. It looks like they're advertising fresh eggs for their baked goods. So we got let this icon disappear. And then let's get the fresh eggs. And then I think it's about time we do it. Let's jump up on the map and check out what else is going on. Saw some parks. Fresh eggs. And then I'm gonna get just why what the choices of what is blurred out. Just a few things. Actually zoom in. Okay. This definitely looks like a bakery. I'm gonna cut it so that it's just the sign basically. Cool. So let's jump up. Let's go back here. Transforms and spirits. Let's see what this park looks like. Okay. Gives us some perspective. Oh, nice. Okay, there. Cool. Bridal shop. Right, let's get a Shadow's bridal shop. That'd be good. Nice. Let those icons disappear. And there we go. It's nice and striking. I like the blue. Almost looks like a Doctor Who phone booth. Kind of. Bridal gown shop. Okay. Bridal shop. Now let's go back to this park. What is this? It's yellow. And there's something about yellow and red from a signage standpoint. Yakiniku Sumadan. Unfussy eatery for make your own meals. I like that. Unfussy eatery for make your own meals. I like that. Unfussy eatery. All right, let's take it again without the icons. basically a buffet. My interpretation. Which always good. Place too. Now let's take a look at this park. Whoa, look at that. That's cool. Let's take that shot. Okay. Sidewalk. Park. Cool. Wow. There's so much to see here. Okay. Frog themed player. Let's see what this frog themed player looks like. That's fun. Can I get it during the day? So this is not going to be, because it's a photo shoot, it's not going to be, faces are not going to be put up. It's fine. Okay. Let's get a shot of this school. Let's get this national girls' school. Oh, that's pretty impressive. Look at that. No, this thing doesn't look like. This is the National Chiayi Girls Senior High School. All right, let's call that up. Okay. Whoa, look at this playground. Oh, this is the playground, right? There's the frog thing. Oh, sweet. Cool. Playground. Let's get some closer shots. Ah, I'm gonna ruin my opportunity here. Oh, gotta go back one. All right, let's see if I can get this. Ah. Two. Go frog team three. I think I can get one more shot in there. Get this one. Let's grab that one. Okay. I gotta learn my pacing. This is like this. I gotta get my pacing up a little faster. I gotta get more going on. Let's see what else we got. That's not that. Oh, cool. Is that the motorbike box? Scooter box? What's this? It's in a park. This is like a traditional. What is this? Like a gate. Cold noodles. Nice. Some cold noodles. Let that icon disappear. I think for Food Friday, it's gonna be grabbing like some sort of sign like this. This kind of like motorbike or scooter, I guess they are. Scooter parking shot. It's a good shot. A lot of scooters. Oh, I'm digging like Captain America. Shot. Scooter shots. Yeah, I just named them randomly. Magic touch. Kid Castle. Cool. Let's get out of there. Look at these signs. They're awesome. Oh, look at that. That is the coolest thing. It's a utility box, right? But it's painted like a choo-choo train. That's so awesome. This sign here. That is cool. It's a scooter. Oh, I'm in groove here. There's some fun stuff here. It's the scooter and bicyclist part, staging ground at the lake, right? And I'm loving this. Oh, yes. Look at that. I love Chiayi City. We got those poles in the way, but it'll be fine. Love it. Be for my meal one day. Just call it meal. Okay, yeah. We got more. What's that? Vegetation. What is that? That's like dancing toothpaste. It's like dancing toothpaste here, but it's a paint. Like that. Is it woman with a hat on who's going to paint the scene in here? Nice. Let's do this. Let's probably do. What is going on? That's good. Put this one on. Cool. Like the owl. No. It's like school-based stuff, I guess. Maybe. It's got a graduation gift. Okay. I'm loving this. What is that? Is weird. It's weird. Got the clothing out here. Maybe because I'm kind of going sideways at this one. Cool. It's like that's the weirdest thing I've ever seen before. This is still 2022. You could get a scooter or a quad. What is this? This street light. That is awesome. Extensive, intricate streetlight system. I don't remember noticed that before. Did I see it somewhere else? I have to keep my eye out. If I see that more often, I just missed it this whole time. Ooh, trash truck. Oh, what is under here? Not really need a trash truck, but I'm gonna grab it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm grabbing it. Ooh, trash truck. I want to see what's over here. Okay, this is just like fun school stuff. Who's this? Moss Burger. Oh, is that? I'm gonna try it. Whoa. First of all, I'm gonna get Moss Burger. Um, and then we're gonna see what this dragon is over here. This is awesome. Oh, wait, no, no. Ah, dang it. I gotta wait for the icons. Okay, so here's the plan. I let those icons disappear and grab Moss Burger. And then I want a Moss Burger menu. And then I want to get this dragon over here. I'm so excited. Right, Moss Burger. And the reason why I'm excited about Moss Burger is because two things. A pig. My son's favorite game here in DC is Moss. Which is like you throw a football and everybody catches it, which I think is awesome name. And then I can food panda. Um, check out Moss Burger online. I bet you that's like look like the Moss Burger menu. Then this is food panda, which we've already seen. Right? But food panda. And then so if I ever do like oh here's the grease truck. Grease truck delivery or pickup. Nice. That's what you want to see out front of your burger shop. Grease truck. Now, super excited. Let's get to this. What is this? Oh, don't blur out the dragon. Really? What is this? Okay, let those icons go. I'm so excited. Let those icons disappear. This might be my food Friday. Okay, yeah, this dragon restaurant. And then blurred out. It's not blurred out when I'm here. Oh, what? This is June 2021? February 2022. Wow, that's impressive. Like in less than a year, it went from ho hum to Dragon Dome. So here we've got a good scene of the dragon that's not blurred out. Dragon Restaurant 2, I think. Actually, no, I don't see this place. What? Come on, I'm not far away. Jesus Christ. Is it this? This is the restaurant? Oh, that's good. Oh no, did I lose it? At least I got the photo. Oh, oh no. Oh no. No, that's the Moss Burger. Okay, sweet. Okay, we're back. Sweet. Let's take a shot of this place. Okay. Looks like we're not gonna get in. China stuff, right? Okay. I'll give one more shot. That's interesting. Um, what is this? Oh, this doesn't exist anywhere. Wait a minute. That, okay, here we go. Here we go. Looks like it's got some old photos. But not this. All right, I'm gonna grab this photo. I'm gonna give credit. Grab this thing, save this as, and let's do it. Let's go. And I'll do Dragon Resto for the name, and then we're gonna go by. Oh, actually, no, I only got 4 minutes left. I'm so focused on. That just gives me exactly where I am. I'm not sure. This is gonna be that. Yeah, it's that place. Yeah. And then this photo, this has got that same thing. Interesting. That's like a medieval. It's like medieval times. Mongolian girl medieval times. Yes, this and that. And then we'll go here. Like that. Yes. 5, 5. Oh, this is kind of a bust. I was hoping that it would be a really great website, good food. One last chance. Here we got this name. This person. That's the same thing. Wedding venue. Sign the sheet. Okay. back here. We are doing this town no justice at all because this is a huge town. Oh my gosh, come on. Look how big this town is. Basically explored in 4 blocks, which is fine. It means we can come back sometime. There we go. Okay, let's go for a little funness. Historical Relic Museum. Sun shooting tower. Ah, yes, let's do it. There's a sun shooting tower. Oh, I got 1 minute left. Let's spin it all on the Dragon Restaurant. Oh, what do we got here? What do we got here? What is this? Ah, no. I like that. This is at the sun shooting tower. It's an ocelot. Chiayi Park. I keep saying Chiayi. I think that's not Chiayi. Look at this, the sun shooting tower. Sun shooting tower. Oh man, so much. Oh man, where am I now? Oh, here we go. I got dumped out of it. Ah, there's my timer. Okay. All right, so that's 40 minutes in Chiayi City, Taiwan. And I gotta say, it was a lot of fun. Um, just even the details of like that little train, utility box train, the Dragon Restaurant, um, and um, even that really simple detail of like the scooter box with the bike. That was kind of cool. Um, so I'm looking at city history and kimono rentals. Interesting. Cool. Um, so I got to do some research on finding out what a sun shooting tower is. Still got to find some funny finds and that sort of thing. So today, not as what you call it, productive, or as I like. But anyway, it's all good. So thanks for watching, and I'll be here again later. Bye bye. Stop recording. Can't do that. Like all bar doesn't work. I don't know why not.